Callaloo everything for the next couple of days. I mean, I got so many Callaloo. Like weeks, right?
Yeah, not days, weeks.
Okay.
That smells sweet, so.
It smells sweet?
This is just. You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. Rastafari, why you turn your back on your brother when him need you? You don't remember the days and when him feed you. You know when no obligation but you owe him some respect. All you need to do is just give him what you get. Turn your back on your brother when him need you.
So, okay guys, here is it. You guys have been asking me, how come it looks so fresh and just glowing and all that stuff? I'm going to share the things that I've been doing and the changes that I've been making in the way that I'm eating and the way that I'm intaking juices and all that good stuff. Now, one of the things that I'm doing is drinking my vegetables. Yes, guys, I have been drinking my vegetables and it is showing. Trust me. Now, I'm going to show you one of the juice that I've been drinking, and it really tastes good, and it's really healthy stuff. Now, this right here is Callaloo. This is the stem from the Callaloo, not the Callaloo leaf, you know, the stem from the Callaloo. As you can see, the clip, let me show you before I actually start the video. This is the stem from that Callaloo right there. All I did was clean it up, just like you would have cleaned up celery, and just cut it up in sizes that can fit into my blender, and that is what I've been drinking. And I'm going to add some ginger to it. This is organic ginger. I'm going to add to it. Now this is lemon juice, right? So I'm going to add some lemon juice to it. You could drink it just like that, or you could taste it up with some honey. I'm going to be adding organic cane sugar to mine. I'm going to sweeten it with some organic cane sugar. This is so refreshing. Oh my God. I'm going to show you. Guys, I've just been changing the way that I'm eating. So, like I said before, I already cut up my Callaloo stems. So that is good. I'm just going to go ahead and cut up my ginger so my ginger can fit inside of a blender. Alright, so now that I have my Callaloo juice all strained with my ginger and all that good yummy stuff, I'm going to add my lemon juice to it. And I'm also going to add my organic cane sugar as well. And mix that in real good. Now it's the perfect time to give it your taste test. See if you need any more lemon juice, or you could just cut up a couple of lemons and throw it in there. But in this case, I'm going to add some thyme to mine, fresh thyme. I'm going to go ahead, put this in my refrigerator and let it sit nice and chill, and then I serve this up.
This is just.
Like, share, thumbs up. Let me know what you'd like to see me cooking in my kitchen next. And as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy! I'm going to let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, it's time to eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.